Demystifying ISF 102 and Customs Docs for Electronics. Welcome back to our Customs Brokerage and International Trade series. In today's episode, we'll be diving into ISF 102 and customs documentation requirements for electronic components. So, let's get started. If you're involved in the importation of electronic components, understanding the ISF 102 and customs documentation requirements is crucial to ensure a smooth and compliant process. So, let's break it down. Firstly, let's talk about ISF 102. ISF stands for Importer Security Filing, which is a requirement imposed by U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, for all ocean shipments arriving in the United States. The purpose of the ISF is to enhance cargo security and improve risk assessment capabilities. As an importer, it's important to note that filing the ISF is your responsibility, but you have the option to hire a licensed customs broker to assist you with the process. The ISF must be filed at least 24 hours before the cargo is loaded onto a vessel, and it's essential to provide accurate and timely information to avoid penalties and delays. Now, let's move on to customs documentation requirements for electronic components. When importing electronic components, there are several key documents that you need to be familiar with. These include commercial invoices, packing lists, bills of lading, and certificates of origin. A commercial invoice is a document that provides details about the transaction between the buyer and seller. It includes information such as the description of the goods, their value, quantity, and payment terms. This document is crucial for customs clearance and determining the duty and taxes payable. A packing list, on the other hand, provides a detailed breakdown of the contents within each package. It includes information such as the number of units, their weight, dimensions, and any other relevant details. This document helps customs officials verify the accuracy of the shipment. The bill of lading is a transport document issued by the carrier or their agent. It serves as a receipt for the cargo and also represents a contract of carriage between the shipper and the carrier. This document is essential for tracking the movement of goods and establishing ownership during transit. Lastly, the certificate of origin is a document that certifies the country of origin of the goods. This document is necessary to determine eligibility for preferential trade agreements, assess duty rates, and comply with customs regulations. It's important to ensure that the certificate of origin is completed accurately to avoid any complications. Navigating the complexities of ISF 102 and customs documentation requirements for electronic components may seem daunting, but by partnering with a licensed customs broker, you can streamline the process and ensure compliance. A customs broker will have the expertise to handle the paperwork, communicate with customs officials, and help you avoid any delays or penalties. To summarize, filing the ISF 102 and understanding customs documentation requirements are essential for smooth and compliant importation of electronic components. Remember to provide accurate and timely information, work with a licensed customs broker if needed, and ensure your documentation is complete and accurate. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this information valuable. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we will continue to delve into the fascinating world of customs brokerage and international trade. Until then, happy importing!